Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to draw an Audi A8. Begin by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle to represent the car's main body. Next, define the wheelbase and overall length, ensuring the proportions are accurate for a luxury sedan. Then, gently outline the roofline and window areas, keeping the initial shapes simple and angular. This foundational step is crucial for capturing the elegant stance of the A8. Now let's refine the body. Smooth out your initial lines, adding the subtle curves and sharp creases characteristic of the Audi A8's design. Pay attention to the car's strong shoulder line. Next, sketch the wheel arches, making them slightly flared. Then, draw the circular shapes for the wheels, ensuring they are perfectly centered and proportional to the car's size, typically around 1/4 of the car's height. Moving on to the details that bring the Audi A8 to life. Carefully draw the prominent single-frame grille, making sure it dominates the front fascia. Then, add the 4 interlocking rings of the Audi logo. Next, sketch the sleek, angular headlights and the distinctive taillight bar across the rear. Don't forget the door lines, side mirrors, and any chrome trim, which add to its luxurious feel. Finally, let's add shading and finishing touches to your Audi A8 drawing. Use varying degrees of pressure to create shadows and highlights, giving the car a three-dimensional appearance. Pay attention to how light reflects off the windows and the car's polished surfaces. Darken key lines to define edges and make your drawing stand out. A few final details will complete your impressive artwork.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.